Popeyes has gone full pickle. You got your pickle glazed sandwich. You got your fried pickles, pickle glazed wings, and what? Pickle lemonade?
We interrupt our normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is a request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. A nuclear attack has taken place in the United States. At 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a nuclear bomb went off in Cincinnati, Ohio, destroying the city. All residents within a 400-mile radius should seek out a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear attack. Long exposure to fallout could result in certain death. Remember to take all necessary supplies with you to the fallout shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, medication, batteries, and a battery power radio to your designated fallout shelter. Tune to local stations serving your area for more information. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public or assigned areas. We are WKRC-TV and we will continue to serve the Cincinnati area. If you are not in this local area, tune to a station providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Cincinnati area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines must be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.